Make it good job. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. I know that they guys leaving. I'm sorry about the noise because I know you can hear it. Anyways, so hi queens, welcome back to another video. Period. Okay, like, share, subscribe. So today is the first day that I'm actually feeling okay since my whole food poisoning situation. If you don't know, watch my other vlog because I said it in that vlog, but I had food poisoning earlier in the week and it was a shit show. Okay, so today is Saturday, so this is the first day I actually feel like really good. I'm hungry. I'm what's for breakfast, but actually it's lunch. Lunch. But yeah, so I had a friend coming. She's supposed, I don't know why she hasn't called me honestly. We're supposed to film today, right? So we're supposed to film last weekend. I don't know, we didn't film. So she's supposed to come today, like she's supposed to be here right now. Oh, I think I showed you guys in the last vlog, right? But our mega gross package came in the last vlog, but I haven't opened it. Jewelry. It's from Everything by Uni Queen. Check them out on Instagram and tell them that I sent you, okay? Subscribe. Okay, bye for real now. Hey guys. Get into this video, okay? I called Nelly, she's on her way. She just got a little busy, but she's coming. Ew, breathe. Say hello.
Just keep talking.
Stop, there's no reason to hurt her.
You can stop it. This is a reason to kill someone.
Guys, look at this girl. How is somebody this fine? It's
hey,
like,
Ocean, nobody remember.
guy, look at her dimples. You guys, we just finished filming for my channel. She said she likes my vlogs. Well, we just finished filming for my channel now. It was really nice. Now we're about to film for her channel.
She will not feel so bad. I was just pitying her. If I wanted to display something here, I would have displayed it to the end. In fact, she would just really oh, shame brothers!
This girl.
I just pranked her.
In my mind, I was like, what? I
knew she was feeling bad at some point. But she was not smiling to get it off. I was like, Nelly, push this thing, push this thing. No. Let me just cut it out. Let her not feel this rot of Nelly, like small Nelly. Just small Nelly. This is how we do it, like we're the prank thing. So this is the first.
Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins.
Guys, today is the 3rd of August, I think. Okay, so I bought jeans. I'm just going to try them on with you guys because like what the hell. So I have this one and like it fits, like I like the fit of it, right? But I don't like the fact that it's low rise. Like you guys can see, it's low rise. Like what is this? Like this is my number and then this is what it is. I don't like that. I mean I can take them back still. I got 4 pairs in total and these 2 didn't even fit because I couldn't try them on. I got this Levi pair. Friend, my thigh is good. Yeah, no. And then I got this one and yeah, the thighs as well was too small. Now you guys, this is the second one. Now this is honestly my jam for jeans. I love when jeans are like high up. Like I just love high waist jeans because big girls I'm kidding, I just love high waist jeans. But here's the thing, guys, look at this crotch. What the hell? Like what is this? Giving loose fit because like the legs are not that tight. They fit loosely a bit.
I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face.
I just woke up like I had like a very slow morning and got up with everything on my head.
I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave.
I was calling him and he'd be like, I was keep quiet. I'm like, what? I'm feeling him, guys.
Niggas is crazy as shit. But anyway.
Cause I'm good where I'm at. Multi, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word of Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die.
Hey guys, good evening, honestly. So I've had this a few vlogs ago. I ordered stuff from Mega Growth, right? Shampoo, conditioner and all that stuff. So I wanted to unbox it with you guys.
Couple figures, kill a scar, collect.
I'm just catching up with one of my favorite YouTubers, K. Oh my god. Stop. Oh my god, they even gave me a thing. Stop. Oh my god, this is so cute. Like I've always bought Mega Growth from like, you know, beauty supply stores. I've never actually gotten from the website and I'm pressed about it. Oh my god. Okay.
She fucking nigga, then she on to the next. Really living.
And one of the things I know, at least I know now that I do, is avoidance. I avoid my shit. I don't like to deal with stuff. I prefer to just behave like it's not happening. Which is crazy, I know, but it's something I do. So essentially I've been going through stuff, but I'm just acting like it's not happening. Oh, you're joking. What the oh my god, this is a little photo moment in itself. So it just says Mega Growth protective hair, and then here it says wash day kids, nothing else. Oh my god, like open me. Oh my god. B-roll, okay, B-roll. This is so cute. Period.
Niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get $500,000 in a sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big triple. I got the.
So I want to do like an unboxing on my Instagram, but everything comes like so wrapped, which is so cool. The deep conditioner. Oh my god, I finally have an actual hairspray bottle. Thank you, Mega Growth. Oh my god. Daily living strength now. Mega Growth oil. Value pack wash day combo. Well, this is so cute. Oh my god. I'm also watching this new series on Netflix, Never Have I Ever. If you guys love seasonal movies, they're just 2 seasons out. Definitely check it out because it's like really interesting. But yeah, let me go back to watching the love of my beautiful life, because Kams is my girl, okay? Lord knows if there's anything taking me to South Africa, I'm going to see Kams, ZX, and Snee. Her.